You've probably seen herons or egrets, standing tall on their long legs, with their elegant S-shaped neck curled up or stretched out high above their bodies, and their strong, pointy beak ready to snatch up prey. At over a meter tall and with up to a 2-meter wingspan, the great blue heron is the largest heron species in the Americas and the third largest in the world. Herons are both freshwater and coastal birds. The only two habitat features that are important to the great blue heron's success are tall trees to nest in and shallow waters to fish in. They usually live around lakes, ponds, rivers, marshes, and estuaries. This adaptability has allowed the great blue heron to live and breed throughout North America and the Caribbean. Some migrate as far south as Colombia during the winter, and there is even a subspecies that occupies the Galapagos. In San Diego, the great blue heron can be most often seen at the San Diego River Flood Channel, Famosa Slough, Balboa Park, and Mission Bay. The great blue heron has evolved to primarily hunt small fish in shallow water. Its long legs allow it to quickly and easily follow the fish it sees, and its eyes can shift focus, allowing it to see fish that are shallow or deep without moving its head. The great blue heron has a special S-shaped neck vertebrae that gives it the ability to curl its neck back and quickly spring out to catch prey. Its long, sharp, dagger-shaped beak is perfect for stabbing into fish and picking them up. Although shallow water fish are its main diet, they are willing to eat almost any animal that fits down their throat, including small mammals, amphibians, invertebrates, reptiles, and small birds. Mating season is between March and May. Male herons secure a nest site and gather materials. The males then engage in an elaborate courtship display of stretching, snapping, twig shaking, crest raising, and circling flight. Once the male has attracted a female, the female will weave the nest and furnish it with moss, leaves, grass, and pine needles. Herons are monogamous, but change mates and nests from season to season. After the pair mates, the female lays 2 to 7 pale blue eggs. The eggs are incubated for around 28 days by both parents. This usually results in 1 to 2 chicks. The family lives together in the nest for approximately 60 days before the chicks are ready to fledge. Over the course of a month, a heron pair with 1 chick consumes about the same amount of food as an adult living in the U.S. Because of their large size, great blue heron adults are usually not preyed upon, although some predators target eggs and juveniles. These predators include crows, ravens, eagles, snakes, raccoons, and red-tailed hawks. Bald eagles are a primary predator. Although adult herons have no natural predators, human interferences can be a major cause for population decline. Urban development and forestry threaten heron habitat. In California, 95% of the coastal wetlands have been developed over. Herons rely on healthy wetlands for feeding and undisturbed areas around these wetlands for breeding. Industrial chemicals can affect heron populations as well. For example, there is a negative correlation between insecticide use and eggshell thickness. Certain insecticides such as dieldrin and eldrin can be lethal to the great blue heron. Chemicals found in herbicide production, or dioxins, cause reduced growth and development of young and reproductive failure. If we wish to continue to see this majestic giant soar through the sky, it is imperative that we regard their well-being and protect the fragile wetlands that allow them to thrive.